टेलीस्कोप.
टेलीस्कोप क्या होता है?
तूने अभी जो पहना था.
अरे वो बोला ना.
This is used in camera
W idea बता रहा
and binoculars. Next, what are we doing in the third?
ओके.
What are we really mean? You are really disturbing my
कुछ
class.
बोला ही नहीं मैंने. इसका मतलब मेरा.
Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. See, to erect.
अरे मैं नहीं बोला.
To erect an image without deviation. मतलब क्या? To erect an image without deviation, that means that without any kind of tilting or anything, उल्टा है image, उसको सिर्फ सीधा करना है और कुछ भी नहीं करना. Okay? For this situation also, now here, this is, please understand, हाँ 180 नहीं है exactly. ये ऐसा था, ऐसा हो गया, बस इतना application ये है.
So how is it no deviation?
180 हुआ तो usually ऐसा होता है, ये deviate करके है ना ऊपर चला जाएगा ना. 180 tilt करना मतलब यहाँ था ये object.
तो without deviate तो.
Angle between them could be 180 बेटा. But angle between these and this is also 90. But here what am I doing? I am actually splitting it through 90. But here, if you say that you are converting it or you are deviating it through 180 degrees, then the image becomes like this or not? So ये यहाँ से सीधा इसी लाइन में बनेगा और ऐसे बनेगा. 180 अगर तू बोलता है तो ये इमेज यहाँ पे बनेगा. ये दोनों में डिफरेंस है कि नहीं है? That is all they are trying to signify.
कल का ही है ना इन लोग पढ़ा है आपसे.
हाँ कल का ही है, उसी में डालना है. All right, again I have taken 90 degrees. Now here, please don't try to remember too many things. Here angles are not relevant. You will not have to write angles. You will only draw the normals because this is more of an experimental thing. So there is no need to write any angle. All we are going to consider is that total internal reflection is happening. That's all. Understood? This is 45, this is 45. This is my object. Let's deviate. It will enter here. This is the normal or not?
Yes.
Here there is no total internal reflection happening. It is going into the surface. So it will. This is not my normal. Wait. So the normal is like this. Alright? So it will tilt towards the normal and go here. Kitna degrees? Nobody wants to know. No need to write degrees over here. Clear? यहाँ पे आके it will face total internal reflection. It will go through total internal reflection at this surface. And it will follow the law of reflection or not?
No, but reflection क्यों हो रहा है?
Because we have maintained the critical angle higher than the critical angle of glass. At this point, if it goes straight, it will undergo total internal reflection at interface BC. That's all you have to remember in this diagram. After this, from here, it will exit like this. That's all we need to know. This is all the information that you need to know and you need to provide. कहाँ पे? ये point पे critical angle is lesser than your.
हम लोग चेंज कर सकते हैं.
हम लोग चेंज करके वो एक्सपेरिमेंट करके ही ये डायग्राम आया है. That experiment is already being conducted. You will have to draw a normal over here also. Here the angle of refraction is lesser than the critical angle. Therefore, it is leaving the surface. Why it is leaving the surface? Nobody has to know. You don't. And once again, I take another ray from here. It will deviate through the normal. Make sure your normal is bent here. From this point, it will undergo, on BC, it will undergo total internal reflection. We will draw a normal here. It will go over here. It will, this is my normal. It will go straight. This is how the image will get inverted. That is all you have to draw. No angles, nothing. This diagram is more of an experimental thing. You perform experiments and come to this conclusion. Therefore, these angles are not specified for you. They are not in your syllabus. इसमें angles लिखना ही लिखना है. This is used in a slide projector. clear? Draw this one. We will take up the next set of angles.
वो
Set?
contact moment का sign वगैरह।
हाँ। और ये भी रॉकेट लग रहा है। ऐसे ही याद रखो, जैसे याद रख सकते हो तीनों को। याद करके दिखना है।
मैम deviation मतलब उसमें deviation है but इसमें नहीं है।
कौन सा deviation?
इसमें ना to let an image without deviation।
Without any kind of deviation, is it? It's not changing any position. Literally, it's not changing any position. It's just going from this side to this side.
हाँ।
Here deviate क्यों हो रहा है? यहाँ पे बन रहा है।
Okay,
यहाँ
okay.
पे। यहाँ पे क्या बन रहा है? यहाँ पे बन रहा है।
Basically-
Not here.
हाँ, got it।
So we are not deviating. Clear?